As the listing agent, you can create and manage buyer transaction folders. This feature allows you to create separate folders which will hold a copy of all disclosures in which you've added a buyer's name. You can create multiple folders for multiple offers or buyers right within your client's transaction. At the time you receive an offer and/or multiple offers, you'll want to log into your account, click onto your client's name, click on the transaction address to open the detailed transaction page. You'll want to click the link to create, manage folders by buyer's name. This pop-up box allows you to create a new folder. Just type in a name for this folder to identify this buyer. Click on the Add Folder button. When your page refreshes, you will have a specific folder here. If you have received only one offer, you may not find it necessary to create a transaction folder. You may simply click this orange link to add buyers' names to disclosures, and this will be to the original disclosures, all at once. And then after you have added their names to the disclosures, you can email all disclosures to the buyer agent, and the buyers can sign each one. Or if you're integrated with another eContracts agent, you can scroll down to your integration box and click on this green link to allow the buyer's agent to view disclosures or documents, and then the buyers can each sign the documents. You'll want to review the integration video tutorial for more information about integrating your own double-ended side transaction or with another eContracts agent. Now, when you have multiple offers, you'll click this orange link to create original disclosures with only the seller's signature for multiple offers. This pop-up box allows you to quickly type in the buyer's name, and don't forget to click this red link if the buyer is a company, trust, or bank name. You'll either need to type in that name or it will auto-populate from your integrated transaction. And then you'll decide if you would like to create a folder. The next step after typing the buyer's name is to create a new folder by putting a check into this box. And the last step allows you to put a check in the box next to each disclosure you would like to add this buyer's name to. Click the blue Create Documents button to create the disclosures. And now we have a file folder for this buyer, listing all disclosures with their name included. Within this organization box, you can view all documents that you've created, and they'll be organized by the buyer's name folder. Click View All, and this column will identify the folder name each of these created documents are sitting in. If you'd like to view only original documents, click this orange link, and for each buyer's specific folder, click right on to their folder to view the specific set of documents. Let's click on the Original Docs link and review another way to quickly add buyer folders to this transaction. If you have a transaction that's integrated, down below our list of electronic documents, we'll find our integration boxes. Each integration box now has a quick link that allows you to create disclosures and a folder for this buyer's offer. When you click on this link, the pop-up box, Recreate Listing Disclosure Documents, will appear with the buyer's name automatically populated into the buyer name section. You'll put a check mark into this box to create a new folder or add documents to an existing folder, and then identify the disclosures you'd like to recreate. Here's a folder we created earlier for Ed, and now we'll create documents with his buyer name in them. Click Create Documents, and now his folder has his own set of documents. If you'd like to create a folder for each integrated offer, go back to Original Documents, go down to your second integrated transaction, and click the Create Disclosure and Folder link. The names of the buyers are populated. We're going to create a new folder and then identify each document and create documents and folder at the same time. Now here's a tip for you. If you'd rather organize your folders by maybe the agent's name instead of buyer's name, You can click on Organize Documents by buyer's names and create a new folder with the agent's name. Now, our first agent that we're integrated with is Olive Tester. Let's create this folder with the agent's name, add folder, and quickly move her client or the buyer's information into the agent's folder. And you can do this by clicking on each document and dragging and dropping it. This process works for those disclosures you've previously added a buyer's name to and then would like to move from your original documents to a specific file folder. So now we have the agent folder here with the list of disclosures that you will send to this agent, and each disclosure has the buyer's name in them so they're able to sign them. And to get rid of this folder that no longer has documents, we'll click on Organize Documents, pull up the existing folder, highlight the folder that you would like to delete. And now our transaction is showing the folders the way we would like them to be named.